Hello everyone, in this video we'll guide you through the installation process for the SmartOffice desktop application. Open your browser and go to our official website smartofficepayroll.com. Click to the Downloads section. Click on the desktop application link to begin the download. The application will be downloaded as a zip file. Once the download is completed, extract the contents of the zip file. Inside the extracted folder, double-click on the setup file to start the installation. First, we need to accept the license agreement. Choose your installation folder and give the required permissions to proceed and confirm for installation. Once installed, the SmartOffice desktop application shortcut will appear on your desktop. Open the SmartOffice application. Click on Database Settings. Change the file path as shown in the video. Click on Test Connection. Once the connection is successfully established, click Save. Now, enter your login credentials to access the application. Congratulations! The SmartOffice desktop application has been successfully installed and is ready to use.